So my name is Hamid Abdelrhman. I am a pharmacist here in Calgary. I own Canvita, Canada since 2015. The purpose of Canvita is to we specialize in vegan halal products like healthcare products. It's vitamins, supplements, cosmetics. And we start this because of we found a big niche market in Canada, not only in Canada, in US and other countries that they are looking for vegan and halal certified products. So we started 2015 with Canvita with 2 products, and then we scaled up to 43 products. We started in Canada, then we went to the US, we went to Middle East, like 6, 7 countries, and we expanding in other countries in Africa right now. The major problem is we are dealing with third-party manufacturers, and that was a big obstacle for us because they're the same manufacturer is dealing with a loss of other brands, like it's private label. So we found that all the time we are out of products because the manufacturers put us end of the list because they have Costco, Walmart, other big brands. So we are thinking to open a manufacturer in Calgary, Alberta, for cosmetics and supplements. After that, we found that okay, there is pharmacare coming in Canada, which is the medicine. During the COVID, we found huge shortage in medicine in Canada because Canada here we depend on importing medicine from countries around like US, India, China. Unfortunately, in Canada, we don't manufacture 90% of our medicine. So our idea start that, okay, we have good connections, we have good understanding of the market. So we are looking for, to open a medicinal manufacturer, pharmaceutical manufacturer here in Alberta. It will include vitamin supplement, pharmaceutical products, prescribed medications. So all the formulation that Canada has a shortage on it, that include all therapeutic categories. And that will help us to be in Canada without, like, if anything happened like COVID again, we will not be waiting for 6 months to get just Tylenol to be in the shelf. That will we have huge need here in Canada, plus the government is supporting such these projects. So we are not only in Canada, but we will expand all over the world, lots of countries. We have Canvita already there, but just on the vitamins and cosmetic, but we want to expand in the pharmaceutical as well. So our operation, what we are looking for 40,000 square foot to have GMP compliant manufacture facility. We're gonna scaling the pharmaceuticals, as I mentioned that, and we will have a certified manufacturer, FDA approved, Health Canada approved, and other international regulatory bodies. Our target audience will be the healthcare providers, pharmacies, and their consumers. We have a digital marketing team. We have sales rep in the ground. We have a contract with big pharmaceutical distributors. Our financial plan, we are looking for $50 million in funding to open a manufacturer here in Alberta. It will include the facility construction, 25 millions, R&D 10 millions, and 5 millions regulatory approvals. This is the revenue. The first year, 3 millions. Second year, 5 millions, 8 million, 12 million, 15 millions. And we are open for people to be shareholders in the company. And this is all what we are looking for. We have partnership with the University of Alberta for R&D. We have pharmaceutical distributors on ground. We have government program funding coming. So and this is what we need, the investor support, like to help us to get this big facility here in Alberta. Yeah, because once pharmacare will be in Canada, hopefully 2025, there will be another huge shortage of medicine, which we would love to support the Canadian with the medicine they need. Any questions?
Okay, Hamid, thanks very much. That was very clear. Any questions either from the chat or just unmute yourself if you wish. I'm just wondering about your experience in the space in terms of product development. Have you had products out there? Do you have revenue so far?
Yes, we do have the vitamins and cosmetics. We are doing very, very well in that. We have big revenue, like $2 million a year almost. But this is just only for the vitamins and cosmetics. But our dream is the pharmaceutical.
Okay, so you're looking really for, is it investment to undergo that transition? And
Yes.
then, okay. And so in terms of your product, is it all within one company? Like you currently have vitamins that are generating a lot of revenue, and this is another product within the same company, is that correct?
We have different products under the company. It's like we have private label coming, like we have Colin Fresh. It is one of the biggest distributor in Canada. We are their private label manufacturer for their own brand called Health One. Not only Colin Fresh, we have other people from overseas, even like from Saudi, from Emirates. We manufacture for them here in Canada under our license.